Layered zucchini with lamb in creamy sauce. We'll be making this recipe in 3 steps. First, broiling the zucchini. Second, cooking the ground meat. And thirdly, to make the creamy sauce. Then we layer it and top it with cheese. Step number 1, broiling the zucchini. We'll be needing 1 kilo of thin zucchini or courgette. I'm gonna use 2 long zucchinis. Slice the zucchini lengthwise, around half a centimeter thick. When done, place them in an oven pan lined with butter paper. And then add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and half a teaspoon of salt and mix them together. Spread the oil on each and every zucchini and then lay them flat in the manner that you see. Then place them in a preheated oven and broil them for 15 minutes in the middle rack. Step number 2, cooking the ground meat. Prepare 1 medium onion, chopped finely. Prepare 2 red chilies, chopped finely. Step number 2, cooking the ground meat. On a medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. When the oil gets hot, add 1 medium chopped onion and the 2 chopped chilies. After 2 minutes, add the 500 grams of ground meat. It can be beef or lamb. I chose the lamb. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Then add 1 teaspoon of thyme. Then mix well and cook in the manner that you see until there is no water in the meat. When it's done, add half a teaspoon of paprika or chili powder if desired. Now the third phase, which is bechamel sauce. On a medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 minced clove of garlic, add half a teaspoon of thyme, and half a cup of whole wheat flour. Here I used barley flour. Mix for 3 minutes, then let's add gradually 1 cup of milk. With a hand blender, whisk the mixture on a low speed to speed up the process. When all the flour is dissolved, add 2 more cups of milk and bring to boil, stirring constantly. Now the mixture should be thick and creamy. Add 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and then mix well. Turn off the heat and add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard powder. Mix and you're done. Now that we've finished these 3 steps, it's time to start layering the zucchini. We start by adding 1 layer of cream sauce. Then we layer the broiled zucchini on top of the sauce. Then we top the zucchini with the ground meat that we cooked. Now we make a second layer on top of the ground meat with the broiled zucchini. We finish by adding more ground meat on top of the zucchini, and then finally we cover all the meat with the rest of the cream sauce. Then we top it with another half cup of mozzarella cheese. Bake in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius in the middle rack for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, broil it from the top for another 5 minutes. And now it's done. You can serve it alone or with bulgur rice. Bulgur rice goes well with it.